In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate invoice processing from Google Drive to Google Sheets with AI. By the end, you'll have a workflow that watches a Drive folder, downloads each new invoice, extracts its text, analyzes it with AI, and logs the key details straight into a spreadsheet. We'll begin by setting up a Google Drive trigger node to watch a specific folder. Set trigger on to specific folder, pick the folder where invoices will be uploaded, and set the event to file created. From now on, every time a new file appears in that folder, your workflow will start automatically. Make sure the account connected to the trigger has access to that folder, and try a small test upload to confirm the trigger fires. Next, add an HTTP request node and rename it to download file. Use the URL http www.googleapis.com/drive-v3 files JSON ID alt media, so it requests the exact file the trigger detected. Set authentication to Google Drive OAuth 2 and change the response format to file. This ensures the raw invoice file is passed along for processing, not just metadata. Now add a Mistral AI node and rename it to extract text. Point it to the downloaded file so it can read the invoice and extract the text content. The output typically includes structured content, like a pages array with Markdown for each page. After running a quick test, preview the results so you know the text is coming through clearly. Then, add an AI agent node and rename it to Analyze Invoice. In the prompt, give clear instructions. For example, you are an expert in analyzing invoices. Here is an invoice that you should analyze. JSON.pages.markdown. This guides the agent to focus on what matters. The goal is to extract the invoice number, sender and recipient addresses, invoice date, due date, and a short description of the invoice. To power the agent, add an OpenAI chat model node and connect it to the AI agent. Select a compatible model such as GPT 4.1 Mini. Without this model, the AI agent can't generate results, so ensure your credentials are set and the connection is active. Add a structured output. Parser node to enforce consistent, machine-readable results. This turns free-form AI responses into predictable fields your sheet can accept every time. Finally, add a Google Sheets node, rename it to Append Row in Sheet, set operation to append, choose your spreadsheet, and map the fields. Invoice number, from, to. Invoice date, due date, short description, and link to file. Now, each time a new invoice lands in your Drive folder, a clean, complete row will be added to your spreadsheet automatically.